You have sleep apnea. Your CPAP? It's a hassle. Sometimes impossible. Are you tired of using a machine you hate? There may be an option. It's a minimally invasive in-office procedure called VOAT. Call and set an appointment today with the Sleep and Sinus Centers of Georgia. Find out if the VOAT procedure is the solution for you. Imagine a good night's sleep without the mask.